it is E Squared. I'm Emily and Erin is not with us today, but she is inside this video in a little while. She is going to show you behind the scenes footage of her posing her little kids who are 4 and 6 years old. And these are what we're going to show you today are poses we always do at family sessions with little kids, really ages 3, maybe even 2 if we're lucky, but 3 and up. These are poses. There are go-to poses we always do. So get excited about those. And stick around until the end because I have something special that is going to help you out. So by the end of this session, hopefully you will have some tips and tricks as far as posing little ones at family sessions. And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications of future videos, and don't forget every Monday we come out with a new video. So let's get started. So before we dive into the behind the scenes footage, I just have a couple of things that I want to mention. The very first thing is you don't need to do a lot of poses of each individual kid. We typically do about 3 poses per kid at each family session. So you don't need to overdo it whatsoever. And the second thing I want to talk to you about quick before we hop in is that know that you won't always get what you want. So we might have a 5-year-old little boy that we have these 3 poses we want to do, we always do them, but he's not going to cooperate and he's not going to listen and he doesn't want to do them. So just be aware of that. Like have those in your back pocket to hopefully do, but it's not always going to work out that way and you're going to have to be creative in figuring out ways to get any sort of shot sometimes at sessions. So we've had many sessions before where we just can't get that awesome shot. So we had to be creative with in-between moments between posing or trying to play fun games with the kids to get those individual shots of the kids. Let's now dive into showing you our go-to poses at family sessions with Erin. One quick thing I forgot that I know Erin wanted me to mention is that her children picked out their own outfits for this behind the scenes footage of you. So they are not dressed in the way maybe she wanted, but they are dressed in their own little unique way. Enjoy.
Okay, Gracie, I'm going to have you stand right about here, okay? And you're going to walk nice and slow towards me, okay? And I'm going to have you smile at me as you walk. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Smile here. Good job. Perfect. Okay, can you go back and do that again? Yeah. Okay. This time, Gracie, I am going to have you start smiling at me, okay? Start walking. You're going to walk. Okay, hold on. Let's wait for Graham to cross. Okay, ready? Go ahead and walk towards me nice and slow. Now look over there and smile. Keep walking. Good job. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to have you stand right here, okay? And I'm going to have you cross at your ankles like this, okay, and put your hands on your hips. All right. Gracie, look right here and smile. Can you get your hair out of your face? There we go. Okay, now I want you to look over that way and giggle a little. Oh, that's silly. Okay, now I'm going to have you sit. So sit down. Okay, let's do crisscross applesauce. Just like that. Can you put your hands in your lap? Okay, put your shoulders down a little. Okay, now sit up nice and straight. There we go. Now smile here. Good. Okay, now I'm going to move your feet. Stay seated. Okay, now we're going to put this foot up like this and tuck this one under. Okay, so put this one down. Now leave this foot up. Can you grab right here like this with your hands? Perfect.
Mom, we could also do one like this.
Okay, we'll do that next. Okay, now do what you said. Cute. Now actually leave your feet out there like that and cross at your ankles. and maybe lean back on your hand. Okay? Now I'm going to change where I'm. Can you lean back with your other hand too? Perfect. Okay, thank you. Okay, Gracie, not right now. Okay, come over here. I'm going to have you sit up here. How cool does that sound? I'll lift you up, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Can I sit up?
Okay, in just a second, Graham, can you get out of the way, please? Okay, I'm gonna have you dangle your legs, so and just cross at your ankles. And you can kind of lean back like you, actually I like what you're doing. Can you sit up nice and straight? There you go. Okay, so smile here. Okay, now can you lean back on your hands like you were over there? There you go. Good job. Okay, thank you, Grace. Okay, Graham, I'm gonna take some pictures of you, okay? All right, the first thing that you're gonna do, Graham, come over here. Can you come over here? No. Okay, let's do that one quick. Okay, look here and smile. Okay, now come out here, good job. Now come out here and stand like right here. Okay, you're going to don't walk yet until I say go, but you're going to slowly walk towards me and smile. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Nice job. Okay, go back. We're going to do it again. Right there, stop. Okay, now this time I'm going to have you look over there as you walk and kind of giggle. Ready? Go ahead. Now giggle over at me. Giggle here. Good job. Okay, now go back. Do you want to run this time?
No, I want to go on.
Okay, we'll do that in a second. This time you're going to run towards me.
I want to go over.
All the way back there. Okay, run towards me and smile at me. Ready, set, go. Good job. Okay, now,
We're going to go on there.
pretty soon, now we're going to do another one right here. I need you to stand right here on this
I
rock.
want to step on you.
Okay, we'll do that in a second.
Right.
Okay, right now. Good job. Okay, now come stand right here on this spot. Right there. Okay, now spread your feet out just a little bit. Not too far. Not too far. Put one right here. Yep, right there. Can you put your hand in your pocket? Yeah. There. You can put the other hand in your pocket. Okay. Good job. Now you're just going to smile at me, okay? So you don't have to walk this time. Nice smile. Okay, now take. Okay, now I'm going to do one where you're sitting. So sit down right there. Can you do crisscross applesauce? And put your hands in your lap. Just like that. Nice job. Sit up nice and straight. Like this. There you go. So you're nice and tall. Can you look over there and giggle? Oh, look over towards that big tree and giggle at it. Okay, now I'm going to have you sit a little bit different, okay? So I'm going to have you put this leg up like this and tuck this one under. Can you put your hand just like this? There we go.
No, maybe like this because that other one hurts.
This one hurts? Okay, so let's do it like this then. Okay, and just rest your arm like that. There we go. That looks really cool. You look tough. You stand up straight again so you're really tall. Okay, smile nice. There you go. Okay, good job. All right, Graham, thank you. High five.
No, we didn't do that.
Okay, so hopefully that was helpful for you and giving you some ideas. Comment below and let us know what is a tip or trick you have that works really well at family sessions as far as posing or anything really family session related. What is a tip or trick you have? Comment below and let us know. Okay, so at the beginning of the video, I told you that I have something special for you. If you are into family photography and want to dive more into the full family posing, we have in the description below a free planning and posing, session planning and posing guide that is going to help you out at your next family session. So make sure to take a look at that. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, share it with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one. And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography. And we'll see you next week.